In this video, we will understand how to create an invoice in Cloudtryx. First, go to the sidebar and click on Invoice. Then select Tax Invoice. Here, you need to fill in the details that you want to include in your invoice. Start by selecting the client. Once you select the client's address will automatically get pre-filled, which saves time and reduces manual work. Next, add the place of supply and select the currency. You can also enter the purchase order number if applicable. After that, set the invoice due date. You can choose options like 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days, or you can also customize the due date manually. Now select the product or service that the client has purchased. If your product or service is already listed in the system, you don't need to enter the details every time. Simply select the product and the information will automatically get pre-filled, making the process faster and easier. If applicable, you can add a discount either as a percentage or as an amount, and then apply the tax. If the client has purchased multiple products or services, you can click Add Line Item to include more items. You can also add shipping details and include an invoice note if you want to mention any additional information. This note can also be customized according to your needs. Once everything is filled in, click Create. Your invoice will be created successfully. Now you will see the overview of your invoice. From the Action button, you can perform different actions such as edit the invoice, receive payment, print the invoice, send the invoice via email, send payment reminders, or cancel the invoice. To view all invoices, you can go to the Invoice Report section. Here you will see a complete list of all invoices created in the software. In the search bar, you can quickly search for a particular invoice using the client name or the invoice number. This makes it easy to find all invoices related to a specific client without scrolling through the entire list. You can also view the Receipt section, where all the received payments are listed. Just like the invoice report, the search area here also allows you to find receipts quickly by client name or invoice number. To mark an invoice as received, go to Invoice Report. Select the invoice you want to update, click on Action, and choose Receive Payment. Scroll down and click Create. Now the receipt will be generated and you will be able to see it in the Receipt section. Using the Invoice and Receipt sections, you can easily track invoices, payments, and receipts in one place. Thank you so much for watching.